Hi everyone, welcome to our Teach Scratch YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to give an introduction to Scratch 3 user interface. The Scratch user interface is the area on your screen where the Scratch program exists. The screen is divided into multiple sessions or pans, which have different functions, from picking blocks to code with, to coding, to seeing your code in action. We will go through the different elements of the interface. Let's begin with the block palette. The block palette is where all the code blocks exist. Blocks are color-coded by category. These blocks can be dragged to the scripting area to either code sprites or the stage. For example, we will drag when green flag is clicked for the cat sprite. The script area is where our code is dragged, as you saw, to and assembled. For example, let's go to looks and drag say hello for 2 seconds. For example, now when we click the green flag, the cat will say hello for 2 seconds, as you can see. The stage is where we can see our code come to life. For example, if we have, as we saw when green flag is clicked, event block at the start of our code, we can click the green flag to trigger the code we wrote. So clicking go, the cat will say hello. The sprite information panel is where we can find information about our sprites, as well as manipulate them. Access this panel by clicking on the thumbnail, as you can see on the cat, of the desired sprite. This area also allows us to delete and create new sprites. For example, we can delete the cat by right-clicking on its thumbnail and choose delete. Or we can just click on this icon on the upper right of the cat sprite. So we're going to delete it. Now we're going to choose another sprite by clicking on choose a sprite. Here you can choose from a variety of sprites. You can choose sprites by category, animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, and fashion. Or you can just search, for example, I'm going to choose a fox. So this is our sprite. As you can see, the fox is chosen right here. Also, we can paint our sprite. For example, I'm going to just drag a circle like this, and we can drag something like this just to see the sprite come into life. I'm going to delete the sprite, okay, and we can let Scratch surprise us. When clicking on this button, Scratch will choose a sprite randomly. For example, clicking On this button, Scratch chooses Ruby. Another time we click on Surprise, it chooses Ladybug. Now we are going to delete the Ladybug. Right click, delete, and delete Abby by clicking on this button, and delete the fox also. Also, we can upload Sprite. Here, I'm going to choose my photo, Rabia, open. So this is my photo. I'm going to set the size to 50%. So this is my Sprite. I'm going to put it in the middle. Now, the custom and backdrop pans can be accessed by clicking the middle tab in between Code tab and Sounds tab. This is where we can create and manipulate sprites and backdrops. To switch between custom and backdrops pans, select the desired thumbnail in the Sprite information pane. So here I have only one sprite, which is my photo. I can also add other sprites as we saw. For example, I'm going to choose a balloon here. So here is the balloon. When going to custom, you can see we can click on Rabia's thumbnail or the balloon. As you can see, for the balloon we have three customs: blue, yellow, and purple. But for my photo, I only have one custom. I'm going to duplicate this custom. So now I have two customs. I'm going to change the second custom here. Let's upload a new custom. I'm going to put the Moroccan flag, open, convert the Moroccan flag into vector, click, choosing the sprite. I'm going to click on convert to vector, click the Moroccan flag, copy it by pressing on Ctrl C. Let's go to the second custom and press Ctrl V to paste the Moroccan flag. I'm going to resize it and put it on my right, like this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and put it on my right. So here I have three customs. Let's duplicate this custom and delete the fourth custom. Let's add a new custom. I'm going to add the sun, open, convert to vector, Ctrl C. Let's go to the third custom and Ctrl V. Let's resize the sun and click backward to put it in the background. Now let's delete the sun. Now I have three customs. The first custom, the second, and the third. The sound pan, the last tab in the top left area of the interface, allows us to create and manipulate sounds. We can even record our own sounds. For example, if you want to choose a sound, here you click on this button, choose sound. As you can see, we can choose by category sounds of animals, for example, cricket, duck, the dog, and the horse. We can choose the effect, for example, like alien, creaks, loop, something that repeats all the time. We can choose by note, percussion, space, sports, cheers, sneakers, splash, and voice, laugh, etc. Let's click back. Or we can record our own sound. For example, here I'm going to record my voice. Hello, my name is Rabia. Click stop. When clicking on play, we can trim the audio by deleting the areas that we don't want to hear. Now I click play. I'm going to save my first record. So recording number 1. I'm going to click another time to record another file. I'm doing the same right here. Click record. I'm from Morocco. Deleting the areas that I don't want to hear. Click and play. I'm from Morocco. Save. As you can see, recording number 2. And I'm going to record the third file. Click and record. Welcome to my Teach Scratch YouTube channel. So you can see here, play. As you can see here, we have the void in this place, and also I'm going to hit save. Now I have 3 recordings. So this is the sound pan. Now let's return to the code area. I'm going to click on Rabia Sprite here. As you can see, for customs we have 3 customs, 3 different customs, and for sounds we have 3 different sounds. Recording number 1, 2, and 3. Here I'm going to program my sprite. Let's first delete the balloon. I'm going to hit and choose the cat. For the cat, I have two costumes here. So the first and the second costume. I'm going to choose a backdrop. Let's see, I'm going to choose space. The first backdrop is galaxy. I'm going to choose another backdrop, always under space theme, nebula. And also I'm going to choose the moon. Okay, I have now, I'm going to click backdrops. Let's delete the first backdrop. Now I have three backdrops: galaxy, nebula, and the moon. Let's go to code and click on the cat. Now I'm going to create a dialogue between the cat and me. I'm going to program a dialogue between me and the cat. First, I'm going to click on the cat thumbnail and the code palette. Let's see first events block. I'm going to drag and drop when green flag is clicked. So the cat will say, "Hi, who are you?" I'm going to looks. The cat will say, "Hi, who are you?" Hi, who are you? Okay, now I'm going to test. I'm going to click the green flag. You see the cat say, "Hi, who are you?" Now I need to respond the cat. So I'm going to click on my thumbnail here, Rabia, and I'm going to click on events when green flag is clicked. Go to looks, drag and drop, say, here I'm going to say, "Hello, my name is Rabia. My name is Rabia." Okay, let's click on the green flag and see what will happen. The cat, you see, we are talking at the same time here. Here you can teach your students a good lesson about communication. The two sprites are talking at the same time. What should we add? So the cat will say, "Hi, who are you?" And I'm saying at the same time, "Hello, my name is Rabia." Here we have what we call a wait block. The cat will say, "Hi, who are you?" for 2 seconds. I should wait 2 seconds until the cat ends its message. Now let's click on the green flag and see what will happen. "Hi, who are you?" "Hello, my name is Rabia." Okay, that's good. I'm going to add other messages here. duplicate. I'm going to add another message. I'm from Morocco. So for 2 seconds, duplicate, and I'm going to add the last message. Welcome to my Scratch or Teach Scratch YouTube channel. As you can see, this is a long message here. I'm going to put 4 seconds. The last. Okay. Let's test our dialogue now. Hi, who are you? Hello, my name is Rabia. I'm from Morocco. Welcome to my Teach Scratch YouTube channel. Here I want to make the dialogue more interactive. Let's go to customs. Here I have 3 customs. The first is Rabia, the second Rabia 2, and the third is Rabia 3. Let's go to code. At first, when green flag is clicked, I'm going to look and switch custom to Rabia. Here, after saying, hello, my name is Rabia, I'm going to switch custom to Rabia 2, and I'm going to switch custom to Rabia 3 at this stage. Here we have another trick. You can click the full screen control to make the stage bigger. Let's click now on the green flag. Hi, who are you? Hello, my name is Rabia. I'm from Morocco. Welcome to my Scratch YouTube channel. Now, let's see our dialogue another time. I'm going to click the green flag. Hi, who are you? Hello, my name is Rabia. I'm from Morocco. Welcome to my Teach Scratch YouTube channel. Okay, that's perfect. We can make our dialogue more interactive. As you've seen, I've recorded 3 different recordings for Rabia's Sprite. Recording number 1, 2, and 3. The first recording. Hello, my name is Rabia. The second. And the third. So let's see our code. Go to sound, and we are going to start sound recording. Just here. Now let's test our dialogue another time. Click the green flag. The cat will say, hi, who are you? Hello, my name is Amir. Okay, as we've seen, when playing recording number 1, we need to say, hello, my name is Rabia for 3 minutes. to give more time for the sprite to say this message. Let's test it again. Click the green flag. Hi, who are you? Okay, perfect. Now, let's add the second recording. So the second recording is going to be just after switch to custom to Rabbit 2. We're going to choose recording number 2, and also at the end we're going to switch to recording 3. Okay, let's test our dialogue another time. Click the green flag. The cat will say, hi, who are you? Hello, my name is Okay, here we have a problem. As you've seen, for this recording, we need to add more time, let's say 6 seconds. Now, let's test our dialogue again. Click the green flag. The cat will say, hi, who are you? Okay, perfect. Now, the last thing that we're going to see is the toolbar on the top of the screen. This toolbar allows us to load and save our projects in my computer. For example, save projects to my computer. I'm going to click save. I'm going to choose a name for my projects. Let's say with the cat. With the cat. Okay. I'm going to choose the place where I'm going to put my project. Let's say on desktop, and click save. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our Teach Scratch YouTube channel.